Hello students, how are you? Dear students, we were studying probability for NDA and we have just solved 40 questions from our exercise. Now, in this video, we will try to solve question number 41 to 50. Let's start. Our question number 41 says that a dice is thrown twice. एक डाइस को दो बार उछाला गया है. What is the probability that at least one of the two shows comes up with the number 4? At least one of the two throws, either first throw में 1 आए और सेकंड थ्रो में 1 आए, दोनों में भी आ सकता है. तो उस प्रोबेबिलिटी के क्या चांसेस हैं? देखिए, डाइस को दो बार उछाला गया है, इसलिए नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन सैंपल स्पेस विल बी 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. And it's a simple case. Our event is either toss have 4. Let's say first toss have 4, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, or second toss may also have 4. Those cases will be 1 4, 2 4, 3 4. We will not repeat 4 4, 3 5, 5 4 and 6 4. And simply we will calculate the probability of this event 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. The probability of event will be 11 divided by 36. Question number 42. The probability of occurrence of two events E and F are 0.25 and 0.50 respectively. We have two events and their probability are probability of E 0.25, probability of F 0.50. The probability of their simultaneous occurrence, probability of E intersection F, both E and F occur, is 0.14. The probability of neither E occur or nor F occur is, and we have to calculate probability of E bar intersection F bar. That will be equal to probability of E union F bar. We will just use our formulas, and for formulas you have to refer to your first and second videos. There we have discussed the formulas in detail. That will be 1 minus probability of E union F, and that is equal to 1 minus probability of E union F. Formula है हमारे पास probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E intersection F. इस सब को हम ब्रैकेट में इस फॉर्मूला को ओपन कर दिया. जस्ट पुट दीज वैल्यूज. 1 minus probability of E 0.25 plus 0.50, that is probability of F, and E intersection F 0.14. Just solve it. 1 minus 0.75 minus 0.14, that is 1 minus 0. We will solve it and find 6 1, that will be equal to 0.39. Question number 43. The probability that at least one of the event A and B occur is 0.6. Means probability of A union B is 0.6. At least one, either A or B. And if A and B occur simultaneously, then the probability of A intersection B is 0.2. And we have to find probability of A bar. plus probability of B. Now just use the formulas for that. Probability of A bar, we can write it as 1 minus probability of A, and probability of B bar 1 minus probability of B. That will be equal to 1 plus 1, 2 minus probability of A plus probability of B. क्लियर? यहां से हमने एक और एक को जोड़ा, माइनस कॉमन लिया, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी. एंड एज वी नो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी, ये हमें रफ में करना है इतना काम. देखिए, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. यहां से क्लियर है कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी विल बी इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. इसको इधर ले आए, ये वैल्यूज डायरेक्ट यहां पुट कर दीजिए, क्योंकि हमें ए यूनियन बी और ए इंटरसेक्शन बी की वैल्यूज गिवन है. 2 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A union B plus probability of A intersection B. Just put these values. 2 minus 0.6 plus 0.2, and that will be equal to 2 minus 0.8, and that will be equal to 1.2. Answer C is correct. In some books there is a misprint that is only 0.2, but actually that is 1.2. Okay. Question number 44. E and F be the events of a sample space such that probability of E is 0.3 and probability of F is 0.2. Probability of E is equal to 0.3, probability of F is equal to 0.2. Probability of E intersection F, probability of E intersection F is equal to 0.1, and we have to find out probability of E bar intersection F. What will be this probability? इसका डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला हम यूज कर सकते हैं, probability of F माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ. बट ये फॉर्मूला आया कहां से, ड्राइव कहां से हुआ? देखिए, सिंपली हमें एक बात पता है, एफ मस्ट बी इक्वल टू ई बार यूनियन ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ. आर यू एग्रीड विद मी? सेट्स में आप लोगों ने ये चीज पढ़ी है. अगर हम इसको ओपन करेंगे, F विल बी इक्वल टू ई बार इंटरसेक्शन F यूनियन ई इंटरसेक्शन F. क्लियर? हमें क्या चाहिए? प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ई बार इंटरसेक्शन F. वी विल फाइंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ F, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E bar intersection F plus probability of E intersection F, because both these are mutually exclusive events. Okay, implies that probability of E bar intersection F will be equal to probability of F minus probability of E intersection F. इसको इधर ले आए, ये देखिए, डायरेक्ट यहां वैल्यूज पुट कर दीजिए. 0.2 minus 0.1, that will be equal to 0.1. Question number 45. In a class, 30% students offered English, 20% offered Hindi, and 10% offered both. If a student is selected at random, what is the probability that he has offered English or Hindi. Okay, probability of offering English is 30%, means 30 divided by 100, and that is 0.3. Probability of offering Hindi in the same way 0.2, and probability of offering both Hindi and English is 0.1. आइदर हिंदी और इंग्लिश हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी निकाल सकते हैं, दोनों को जोड़ के इसमें से इंटरसेक्शन को घटा देंगे. 0.3 प्लस 0.2 माइनस 0.1 एंड दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 0.4, and 0.4 equal to 4 divided by 10, that will be equal to 2 by 5, and answer A is correct answer. Question number 46. A box contains 4 red ball, 5 green ball and 6 white ball. A ball is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the ball drawn is either red or green? Either red or green. We have a box. This box has 4 red, 5 green and 6 white balls. A ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that it is either red or green? Red union green. Probability of red plus probability of green minus probability of red intersection green. और red intersection green mutually exclusive है, red red है, green green है, that will be 0. Then probability of getting red or green will be either red or green will be equal to probability of red plus probability of green ball. Probability of red ball is equal to 6 divided by 15, sorry 4 divided by 15, and probability of green ball is equal to 5 divided by 15, that will be equal to 9 divided by 15, and that is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, 46th B is correct answer. 47. From a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, 4 cards are drawn at random. Number of elements in sample space will be taken as 52C4, because हमें 4 एक साथ निकालने हैं out of 52. What is the probability that all cards are of same color? How many colors are there in a deck? Only 2 colors are there, red and black. Okay. Probability either red or black will be equal to probability of red color, probability of black colored card minus probability of red intersection black, and that will be 0, because red color red है, black color black है. Probability of red colored cards, that will be 26C4 divided by 52C4 plus black color 26C4 divided by 52C4. Question number 48. Let E and F are the events such that probability of E is equal to 1 by C. Okay. Probability of F is equal to 1 upon 4. Probability of E intersection F is equal to 1 upon 5. Find the probability of E by F. Direct formula of conditional probability. Probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. नीचे वाले से डिवाइड कर दो. That will be equal to 1 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 4, and that will be equal to 4 by 5. Question number 49. Let E and F be the events such that probability of E is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay. Probability of F equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. And the probability of E intersection F is 1/5. Okay. Find the probability of F bar divided by E bar. Let's attempt it. That will be equal to probability of F bar intersection E bar divided by probability of E bar. ठीक है भाई, देखिए 1 that will be equal to probability of F union E सारे का बार डिवाइडेड बाय प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E बार. डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूलाज हम यूज कर रहे हैं. यहां से होगा 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ F यूनियन E डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E. और ये फॉर्मूला आप लोग जानते हैं, 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ F माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E इंटरसेक्शन F एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E. ये सब वैल्यूज आपको गिवन है. जस्ट पुट दीज वैल्यूज एंड सॉल्व इट. एंड नाउ टुडेज लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. A die is rolled. The outcome is an odd number. Given है outcome is odd number. Our sample space is 1, 3, 5. Okay. What is the probability that it is a prime? Our event is prime out of these 3, 5. Probability of this event equal to 2 divided by 3. Number of elements in our event divided by number of elements in सैंपल स्पेस. ओके, बस 50 तक क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कीजिए. 10-10 क्वेश्चन करके इसको जल्द ही हम कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.